Hello everyone, welcome to the RPA Unicorn. Today's session is about data extraction from Invoice using AI Builder. This is a specialized session presented by RPA Unicorn that explores the power of intelligent automation in finance. The presentation focuses on utilizing artificial intelligence to automatically read, interpret, and extract critical financial data from invoices, eliminating the need for slow and error-prone manual data entry. Designed to showcase modern automated workflows. The session highlights how businesses can leverage AI, builder technology to streamline their accounts payable processes, boost operational efficiency, and significantly reduce processing times. Moving forward, let's take a look at the core business challenges that organizations face every single day when dealing with traditional invoice processing. First, when relying on manual systems, it is incredibly difficult to track whether an invoice has actually been received or if it has slipped through the cracks. Second, typing in data points by hand naturally increases the chance of human error, leading to inaccurate records that can mess up your financial auditing later on. And finally, when you are dealing with a high volume of multiple invoices, reading each one individually and storing those data points is a massive time sink. It drags down productivity and keeps your team tied to administrative bottlenecks instead of focusing on high-value tasks. Now that we've established the bottlenecks, let's talk about the solution provided. To solve these specific issues, we have to look directly at the pain points we just discussed. First, where it was once very difficult to manually check whether an invoice had been received or not. Our system provides a clear, automated tracking mechanism. Second, we eliminate the high chance of human error that comes with adding data points manually by letting an intelligent system handle the record keeping with absolute precision. And finally, instead of wasting hours manually reading and storing data from multiple invoices, our AI-driven approach processes thousands of documents simultaneously in a fraction of the time. This is how we transform your entire accounts payable workflow into an efficient, hands-free operation. Now, let's pull back the curtain and look at the architecture flow to understand exactly how this automation works from start to finish. The entire process is incredibly streamlined and consists of three main steps. First, the process kicks off when an invoice file is uploaded to OneDrive. The moment that file hits the folder, our automation triggers the second phase. It uses a pre-built or custom AI builder model to intelligently read and extract all the critical information from the document without any human intervention. Finally, once the data is gathered, the system seamlessly takes those points and adds the extracted information directly into a SharePoint list for easy storage, tracking, and auditing. This completes the cycle, turning what used to be hours of manual data entry into a completely hands-off, automated loop. To wrap things up, let's look at the actual result of implementing this automated solution. As we've established, manually extracting invoice data is a massive operational headache. It's slow, full of mistakes, and incredibly hard to track. By automating this lifecycle, we drastically reduce processing time and sharply increase data reliability. The moment a document is uploaded, a Power Automate flow triggers instantly to pull out the most critical invoice details, such as the invoice number, date, total amount, and vendor name. Those extracted details are then seamlessly populated into a SharePoint list with over 95% accuracy. Ultimately, this completely streamlines your accounting workflow, eliminates manual administrative bottlenecks, and gives your team hours of valuable time back every single day. And now I am showing how this works practically.
Here flow will trigger when new file is uploaded on OneDrive. In pre-built AI model, just select the file content in action, extract information from invoices. Add data points in each input column of SharePoint list. Pre-built AI model is not able to fetch some data points, which is marked in red box. Upload the invoice file on OneDrive. The item is added in list as shown above. But those two fields populated through default value. Custom AI model is trained in such a way that it can extract those information which weren't extracted by pre-built AI model. Information which we extracted is indicated in red box. If using Custom AI Builder, then select the trained AI model. After using Custom AI Builder, those remaining data points are also get fetched. Again, upload the invoice file on OneDrive. Here, all the data points are added successfully to the SharePoint list.
That brings us to the end of our presentation today. On behalf of the entire team at RPA Unicorn, I want to say a huge thank you for your time, your attention, and your engagement. We hope this session gave you some valuable insights into how intelligent automation and AI Builder can reshape your daily operations and eliminate manual bottlenecks.